Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play the Among Us theme on guitar. First, let's identify the main melody and iconic sound effects that make the game's music so recognizable. You'll want to find reliable guitar tabs or sheet music online, which often provide the exact notes and finger placements. Understanding basic guitar techniques, like single note picking and simple chord shapes, will be essential for bringing this fun tune to life on your instrument. Now, let's dive into the essential chords and notes. The Among Us theme often uses a simple melodic structure, frequently found in keys like C minor or G minor. You'll need to learn the specific notes on your fretboard for the main riff, which typically involves playing on the G, B, and high E strings. Pay close attention to the rhythm and timing. Practicing with a metronome at around 120 beats per minute will help you match the original song's feel. To truly capture the Among Us vibe, let's explore some guitar techniques for sound effects. You can incorporate subtle bends or slides on certain notes to mimic the game's quirky sound effects, like the emergency meeting chime. Using palm muting will give you a percussive, staccato feel, perfect for the rhythmic elements. Don't forget to experiment with vibrato on sustained notes to add a touch of expression and make your rendition more dynamic and engaging. Finally, here are some practice and performance tips. Always start slowly, practicing each section of the song until it feels completely comfortable under your fingers. As your accuracy improves, gradually increase your tempo, aiming for a smooth and consistent delivery. A great way to refine your timing is to play along with the original Among Us track. With consistent practice, you'll be impressing your friends with your guitar skills in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.